Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Another day, another beautiful day, another video. Core and lower back and some mobility as always. Let's begin nice and easy. Sit down first. Inhale 3 times deeply. Good job. Arms on the ground, knees on the ground. We will start with something very simple. Right arm straight forward, left arm straight back. Activating our core lower back. Nice and easy. Let's start to push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, elbow go to knee. Bend and extend. 2. Go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then towards the side. Arm with leg. 1 and back. 2. Breathe. 3, 4, 5. Go ahead. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Release. Exhale. One time inhale deeply. Switch side. Right leg goes straight back. Left arm goes straight forward. And we work up 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then elbow goes to your knee and open. 2. Breathe. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now open. Arms goes towards the left, right leg open towards the side. 1 and back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Release. Exhale. Baby pose. Straight arms forward. Breathe. Go back. From here, toes on the ground. Rotate your pelvis. Push your shoulders, arms, shoulder blades. Raise your knees off the ground and then step forward, starting from the left leg. Step, step, 2, 2. One time right, one time left. 2, 2 left. 3, 4 right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Go ahead. Left. Right. 5 more. Left. 4 right. 3 left. 2 right. 1 left. Okay, good job. Release. Relax your arms. Inhale deeply. Exhale. We continue. Elbows on the ground, straight legs. Engage your pelvis, lower your hips. We start to twist our hips towards the left and towards the right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go ahead. 8, 9, 10. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Inhale deep and exhale. Next one. Again, plank position. Lower your hips, rotate your pelvis, engage. We start to bend our knees one by one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Release. Straight arms. Let's arch a little bit our lower back and upper body. Exhale. Good. Push your spine towards the floor. Now your right arm opens towards the side. Push up as much as you can. Exhale. Switch side, left. Deep inhale and exhale. Good job. We continue from here. Plank position, straight arms. Knees goes towards your elbow. 1, switch left. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Release. Slowly lie down on your back. Awesome. Relax. From here, I want you to open your legs towards the side. Straight legs. Keep them straight. For those who cannot lower so much your legs, you can just go higher a little bit, okay? For those who can, engage your lower back core and just move your legs forward 10 times. 1, 2, go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your legs. Rotate your pelvis. Push your lower back up. Hold. Raise your head off the ground. We start to walk forward from our left leg. Forward, left back, right back. And we continue to go ahead. 3. Push your lower back as high as you can. 4, 5, 6,
7. Go ahead. 8, 9, 10. Hold here. Raise your butt higher. Push up. Continue pushing up. From here, arms go up, straight up forward. I want you to open slowly your knees towards the side. 1 and close. 2 and close. 3 and close. 4. Go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. Hold. Open your knees towards the side and keep holding. Your butt is not touching the floor. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower your butt. Good job. Raise your knees off the ground. 45 degrees. Arms straight. We're working one by one. Your toe is touching the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Heels on the ground. You open your knees towards the side. Push your hip up. Hold. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Grab your knees. Push your lower back forward. Exhale. Open your arms towards the side. Bring them on the mat. From here we start to push our lower back and hips up. Exhale. Breathe. 1, 2. Higher. 3, 4, 5. Higher. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Release. That's it. Let's stretch a little bit. Keep your left leg straight forward. Bend your right leg open towards the side and fall forward. Grab your heel. Exhale. Hold. Good job. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Switch. Right leg goes forward. Bend your left, open towards the side. Exhale, grab your heel, fall forward. Three, 2, 1. Good job. That's it. Simple practice. I hope it's useful. I try to not make it very complicated. I'm not sure how many of you will be able to perform. Before I recorded like many difficult videos, and like people was texting me, messaging me that things are too difficult for them. So I hope more easy practice will be more suitable for you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.